Hey there! By default, VS Code uses your system's file dialog when opening files and folders. But did you know there's a cleaner and faster alternative? Let's check out the Simple Dialog, how to enable it, how it works, and what to expect. First, open the settings by pressing Ctrl+, or Command and Comma on macOS. Then search for Simple Dialog and then enable this setting. Files, Simple Dialog, Enable. Or add the following line to your settings.json file. Files.simpleDialog.enable and set its value to true. Then save the file. Now try opening a file with Ctrl and O or Command and O on macOS. Instead of the system dialog, you'll see the VS Code Simple Dialog. It opens in the last used folder. For me, that's the grading students folder. You can use the mouse or keyboard to navigate your project. And you'll notice the interface is minimal and snappy. Now in the top right corner, there's an eye icon. Click it to toggle visibility of .files. This is useful when working on projects with lots of .files. And when you are done, just press Escape to close the dialog. Last but not least, if you don't like the position of the dialog, you can move it wherever you want. And you'll notice that in certain spots, the window snaps into place. Right now, the Simple Dialog is either on or off. There's no extra customization. But for a cleaner workflow, I think it's a great little tool. Try it out and see if it fits your workflow better. Alright, that was it. If you enjoyed this video, consider checking out the other tutorials on this channel. Wishing you a wonderful day, and I look forward to catching you in the next one.